How can you change the font size of a web page or website in your Safari browser on your iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this one. So whenever you get inside of your regular web page, you need to click on some options below, like next to the URL. On the left, you have like the rectangle and a couple of lines here. So that is the button I want you to click on. And this gives you the ability to request desktop website and all of these other options. But at the bottom, you have the A, which is smaller, and a larger A. And if you click on the larger A, it makes the screen go up and down, so it kind of changes the zoom of the text of that website, right? So if you feel like the text is kind of too large or too small, you can utilize this setting here or this controller to change the font size of a web page directly in a Safari. So that is the whole thing which I believe you need to know about it. Of course, there are different web browsers as well. So if you prefer Google Chrome, for example, or something else, you can check it out in there as well. It's very likely that the whole process is going to be very similar. So yeah, I believe that Safari gets the job done very well, and you don't really need much else or much more than that. But let me know if you found this video useful. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos sort of similar to this one, and I'll see you later. So stay tuned and I'll talk to you soon.